Hello everybody. Today we will have our second role play with the question Quanti anni hai? As it went for the first one, here we will have the questions and then the answers. So it will be a dialogue. Let's see our dialogue. Quanti anni hai? Ho 24 anni. E tu? Io ho 22 anni. Here there is something very important to notice. Quanti anni hai means how old are you? In English, you use the verb to be. In Italian, the verb to have. So the question will be quanti anni hai? Answer ho 24 anni. Remember also to always put the word anni after your years. So you cannot say ho 24. You need to always to say ho 24 anni. Let's practice now. We need to fill in the blank with the information, but in this case you need to use your information. We will have two dialogues. In the first one, you need actually to answer to the question. In the second one, to ask it. Quanti anni hai? Io ho 22 anni. So in this case, you should have answered io ho, your age, anni. E tu? Let's see this other one now. So now you need to fill in with the question. Io ho 24 anni. Our final dialogue will have more information like the name, Giovanni, the age, 26 anni, and the place, Torino. So I will read the questions and you will need to answer to them and then check with the correction. So I give you kind of 5 seconds to answer and then you can also pause, answer and then see the correction. Let's try. Ciao, come ti chiami? Piacere, io sono Isabella. Quanti anni hai? Io ho 24 anni. Di dove sei? So, thank you for watching this video. I hope I'll see you for the next one. We will do some other role play and then we will keep on explaining grammar. So, thank you again for watching. Bye.